Sound matters, whether you're streaming, podcasting, or recording vocals. Microphone emoji. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 microphones on Amazon that deliver crystal clear audio without breaking the bank. From budget-friendly to pro-level gear, we've got something for everyone. So stick around, and if you love honest reviews and top tech picks, don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this. At number 1 we have PQRQP 3-in-1 wireless microphone. The wireless microphone delivers high-quality audio, easily create on-the-go content with PQRQP's noise-canceling technology. Record confidently with natural, low, or high settings and a windproof cotton cover. In addition, this wireless microphone is suitable for karaoke. Say goodbye to bulky microphone, sing when you want to sing, karaoke is more free. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Whether you're live streaming or making videos in remote locations with fewer charging options, this Bluetooth microphone has got your back. Mini microphone keeps up with 9 hours on a single charge or 18 hours with 2 mics in total. This wireless lavalier microphone uses state-of-the-art 2.4G technology to provide a stable connection, so you can achieve up to 328 feet of wireless transmission and ultra-low latency recording of an ultra-wide range of footage that less lip syncing in post. The reverb function provides 3D sound and an immersive feeling. The mute function allows for temporary mute during team communication, device setup, and other unexpected situations without shutting down the system. At number 2 we have DJI Wireless Microphone. The DJI Mic Mini lavalier microphone transmitter is small and ultralight, weighing only 10 grams, making it comfortable to wear, discreet, and aesthetically pleasing on camera. Mic Mini wireless microphones delivers high-quality audio. A 400 meters max transmission range. 2. Ensures stable recording, even in bustling outdoor environments like a busy street. Mic Mini wireless lavalier microphone with charging case offers up to 48 hours of battery life. 3. Ideal for long trips, interviews, live streaming and other intensive usage scenarios. DJI Ecosystem Direct Connection. With DJI Osmo Audio, a transmitter can connect to Osmo Action 5 Pro, Osmo Action 4, Osmo Mobile 7P, or Osmo Pocket 3 without a receiver, delivering premium audio. Powerful noise cancelling. 2 noise cancellation levels are available. Basic is ideal for quiet indoor settings, while Strong excels in noisy environments to give you clear vocals. DJI Mic Mini wireless microphones features automatic limiting to lower volume if audio input is too high, preventing clipping and ensuring reliable audio quality in any setting. At number 3 we have Synco wireless lavalier microphone. Wireless microphone system features 2.4 GHz frequency spectrum and syncoder technology, which avoids confusing domain of UHF and offers a secure, stable, and hassle-free audio system. It supports the automatic connection between TX and RX after power on and easy operations if you need manual pairing. Synco G2A2 wireless lavalier microphone is capable of handling 2 transmitters and 1 receiver simultaneously, and features the ability to switch between mono, stereo or safety channel outputs mode, easy for post-processing, ideal for face-to-face interviews, YouTube video and other 2-person shoots. Especially the newly upgraded safe mode can effectively prevent the whistling sound, will not let the recording abandoned. Newly adopted bright, high-contrast TFT display screen for G2A2, wireless lav mics transmitters and receiver. It shows current recording mode, battery status and audio level, gain and more intuitively under environment of different lights. In addition, the gain control of the streaming microphone largely ranges 0 to 6 level allow simple and effective optimization of signal levels, ensure lav mic captures a strong enough signal without being too quiet or too loud. At number 4 we have Mini Mic Pro wireless microphone. Mini Mic Pro is the wireless microphone for iPhone and Android used by creators. Trusted by thousands, it delivers studio-quality sound in a design small enough to clip onto your shirt or slip into your pocket. Designed to work right out of the box with your iPhone, Android, tablet, or laptop. With both USB-C and Lightning adapters included, Mini Mic Pro connects instantly, no apps, no Bluetooth, no friction. Just pure, plug-and-play performance. From voiceovers to viral interviews, Mini Mic Pro captures crystal clear audio and cuts through background noise, even outdoors, thanks to included wind protection like high-density foam and a dead cat cover. Crafted from premium materials and weighing under an ounce, it's ultra-portable, rugged enough for daily use, and always ready to record, no matter where the day takes you. A wireless lavalier microphone designed for real creators. Record for up to 6 hours per charge. While using the lav mic, you can charge your device simultaneously. At number 5 we have RØDE wireless system with built-in microphones. Ultra-compact and easy-to-use dual-channel wireless microphone system for filmmaking, vlogging, TikTok, streaming, podcasting and video calls, Zoom, Mississippi Teams, etc. Analog and digital USB outputs that are compatible with cameras, Windows and Mac OS computers, iOS and Android phones for versatile use in a range of settings. Additional cable may be required for some devices. Transmitters have over 40 hours of onboard recording function to ensure flawless audio in all settings. No need to worry about wireless dropouts. Tiny form factor and built-in microphones means transmitters can be directly attached to talent or use as a traditional belt pack with a lavalier microphone. Fully compatible with the free RØDE Connect podcasting and streaming software for added flexibility when recording, streaming or video calling from a computer.